If you've ever wondered how to easily extract educational course listings from websites, today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Browse AI. This tool can automate the process, saving you countless hours of manual work, and it's super easy to use even if you're new to this kind of software. First off, Browse AI lets you extract specific data from any website, such as course listings from educational platforms. This means no more sifting through endless pages of content, copying and pasting details one by one. Instead, Browse AI does all the heavy lifting for you. You can grab the course names, descriptions, prices, and even schedules in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Let me walk you through the process. The first thing you need to do is sign up for Browse AI. Once you're in, just create a new robot. A robot, in Browse AI's terms, is simply a project that scrapes data from a website. When you set up your robot, you'll be asked to point it to the URL of the website where you want to extract data, whether that's a learning platform, a course directory, or any other site with educational content. After entering the URL, Browse AI automatically identifies the structure of the page. From there, it uses a visual interface to highlight the elements you want to extract, like course titles, descriptions, or dates. With just a few clicks, you can tell the robot what information to pull. If you're unsure, the platform has a helpful tutorial that walks you through every step. One of the best things about Browse AI is that it works without needing any coding skills. For beginners, this makes it extremely user-friendly. But don't let that simplicity fool you. It's a powerful tool capable of handling complex data extraction tasks too. Whether you need to collect data from multiple pages or entire sections of a website, Browse AI can scale to meet your needs. Now, the cool part. Once your robot is set up, you can schedule it to run at regular intervals so you get updated course listings automatically. If you're monitoring the prices or availability of specific courses, this is a game changer. You won't have to worry about manually checking the site every time. And what's even better is that Browse AI allows you to export the data you've collected directly into spreadsheets, CSV files, or integrate it with other applications. This means you can analyze the course data or share it with your team or clients without hassle. If you're worried about getting started, don't be. You can actually use Browse AI for completely free through the link in the description below. Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you'll get an extended free trial, so you can really dive into the tool without any pressure. Browse AI isn't just about extracting course listings though. It can handle all kinds of data collection from different industries, making it a must-have tool for anyone who needs to gather valuable insights from websites. By the way, if you stick around until the end, you'll see exactly how to get your extended free trial so you can start extracting data today without paying a cent upfront. To sum it up, Browse AI is an incredibly efficient way to automate the tedious task of extracting educational course listings. With its intuitive interface, scheduling capabilities, and data export options, it's perfect for anyone looking to streamline the process. If you want to give it a go, remember to grab your exclusive free trial with the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.